Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you, dear students. We are learning class 9 science biology, in that we are doing practicals. Previously we did the activity of studying of plasmolysis of an onion cell. I hope that you people will get the clear idea about the plasmolysis. Today I am sending you the link given below, in which you have to write down all the whole activity, how we are going to do this activity. But we actually did the activity with the onion cell, but you have to write down about the rheolith. Getting, dear students? Okay, so please write it down into your fair notebook with neat and clean handwriting, and also draw the diagrams. I want to share with you some of the questions related to this activity, which I already added into the link, which you have to write down also into your notebook. But before that, I want to discuss that questions and answers with you. So here it is written, check yourself. In that first question, name the phenomenon which occurs due to shrinkage or contraction of the content away from the cell wall. So now of course you will get the idea, dear students, that which is the phenomenon which is called as shrinkage or contraction of the content away from the cell wall. That is definitely a plasmolysis, right? So see the answer over here, that during osmosis, when a living plant cell shrinks or contracts with its content away from the cell wall, the phenomenon is called as plasmolysis. Okay. Now the second question, the boiled leaf showed no change with sugar or salt solution. Why? Actually in this activity they had added that once we have to keep that rheolith into the water and we have to observe under the microscope, then second time we have to take sugar or salt solution, keep it that epidermal layer into sugar and salt solution for 10 minutes, and then after we have to observe the slide under the microscope, and the third time we have to boil that leaf and then we have to observe under the microscope. So what happen if we are boiling the leaf, either the leaf having any kind of changes or not? So the answer is, dear student, that the cells of the leaf died when it is boiled. Getting, dear students? The cells of the leaf are died when the leaf was kept in boiling water for few minutes. So definitely we cannot see any, or we cannot observe any kind of changes, or we cannot observe plasmolysis in boiled leaf. Now the next question, question number 3, can osmosis occur in dead cell? So definitely, dear students, no, osmosis cannot occur in dead cell. It only occur in living cells, because for the shrinkage of the protoplasm, the living material should be present over there. Okay, now the next question is, what happens to the cell when kept in isotonic solution? Iso means same, means when two solutions are there and both the concentration of both the solution is exactly at the same ratio, exactly at the same amount, that solution is called as isotonic solution. So the answer is that in isotonic solution, the concentration of medium was exactly the same as that of the cell. So there is no net movement of water across the cell membrane. So therefore the cell will stay in the same size. So these are some of the questions which are based on this activity, which are based on the plasmolysis activity. So please also go through this question and answers also, dear students, and please write it down into your notebook.